Hey there, I'm Abby Herman with Right Solutions. I want you to stop creating content just for the sake of creating content. Instead, create the content that will help you reach your business goals. Let's talk about what content you need in order to do that. The answer is going to vary for every business owner. From business to business, we all have different audiences, and the most important thing to do when deciding what you need for your business is to ask your audience. I recommend every quarter or twice a year, send a survey out to select audience members. Don't send it to your entire list. Send it to select audience members, either people who you would love to work with, or people you've worked with in the past, or people who know your business well. Ask them where they follow you. Ask them what their favorite piece of content is that you published recently. Ask them what they need or want from you. Ask them what questions they have. And that's what you're going to create content around. Most importantly, you'll be able to build a content strategy around the platforms where your audience is hanging out and watching you. That said, there are 3 types of content that every business needs: video, blogs, and email. Now, videos are a great place for your audience to really grow to know, like, and trust you, because you're seeing that person on camera, you're listening to their voice, and you're kind of figuring out a little bit about their personality. It is a must-use for any type of business, and you can do that on YouTube, you can do it on Facebook Live, and you can do it on Insta Stories. Every business also needs to have a blog. This is a great way to earn search engine optimization points through Google to allow you to get found on search results. And it's a great way to educate your audience so they know how to work with you. They can learn more about your business and your personality, and just basically to provide information for your audience. Every business should also be emailing their list regularly. If you don't have a list, it's time to start building one now. You can do this through offering freebies to your audience on your blog posts. But your list is where you really engage with and communicate with your audience. They've trusted you with their email address, and it's how you can communicate with your audience if Facebook goes belly up tomorrow. Now, I know that's not very likely, but you never know. You have your engaged audience on your email list, and you should be emailing them regularly with new content, fresh content that you don't include anywhere else, so that you can nurture them and get them prepared for the sale when you launch your next product or service. Now, if you want to provide content to your audience someplace other than video, email, and your blog, great. As long as it's a part of your ongoing consistent content strategy, and as long as it's where your audience is hanging out. If you like the information that I provided, make sure to comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.